Every year, millions of bottles of Chanel No. 5 perfume enter the global market, sold in retail counters, luxury boutiques, online platforms, and duty-free airports around the world. It remains one of the best-selling prestige fragrances in history, consistently contributing to Chanel's multi-billion-dollar beauty division. In the US, Chanel No. 5 entered luxury department stores in the 1920s, quickly establishing itself as a premium European fragrance. Its visibility grew through exclusive retail partnerships, celebrity associations, and post-war consumerism, turning it into a recognized status symbol by the mid-20th century. From the 1980s onward, high-budget campaigns and controlled distribution strengthened its dominance in the American luxury fragrance market. But the foundation of this product doesn't come from branding alone. It comes from a formula so controlled and restricted that only a small circle of experts has direct access to its full composition. What gives a single scent the ability to maintain demand for over a century and retain a dominant share in the luxury fragrance market? Today, we examine its origin, its formulation standards, and the production ecosystem that turns fragrance into one of the most profitable icons in the beauty industry. This is how the everlasting magic of Chanel No. 5 perfume continues to influence markets, consumer trends, and brand value from start to finish. Chanel No. 5 perfume begins with a highly specific combination of natural extracts and laboratory-engineered molecules sourced from multiple regions across the world. Key floral components are cultivated in controlled plots in Grasse, France, where long-term exclusive partnerships ensure consistent quality and stable supply. These ingredients are paired with aldehydes, synthetic compounds produced through precision chemical processes that give the fragrance its modern, recognizable character. This balance of natural and engineered materials is what sets Chanel No. 5 perfume apart from standard commercial perfumes that rely heavily on low-cost substitutes. On a macro level, the sourcing of these raw materials directly influences global pricing and brand value. High-grade jasmine can cost several times more than synthetic alternatives, and climate fluctuations in cultivation regions can impact production output. Meanwhile, the demand for premium aldehydes has grown alongside the expansion of the luxury fragrance market, driving investment in specialized chemical manufacturing. These inputs form the foundation of a fragrance that sits at the top tier of the global perfume sector, one where margins are significantly higher than mass-market categories. Why this matters is simple. The quality and consistency of raw materials determine both the performance of the scent and its long-term market positioning. The luxury fragrance industry, valued at tens of billions of dollars, relies heavily on formulas that can maintain consumer trust over decades. Chanel No. 5 perfume's deliberate control of its material origins protects its identity, sustains its premium price point, and supports a profit structure that continues to outperform many other beauty categories. The production of Chanel No. 5 perfume advances with the precise collection and preparation of its raw materials. Jasmine and May rose are harvested under strict conditions to preserve their aromatic compounds, then quickly processed through sorting and extraction methods such as solvent extraction or steam distillation to produce high-concentration concretes and absolutes. Synthetic components, including aldehydes, are created in controlled chemical reactors to ensure purity and consistency. Efficiency at this stage directly affects yield, cost per kilogram, and final product quality. Large volumes of plant material are required for natural absolutes, making optimized extraction essential for maintaining both cost stability and fragrance integrity. Advanced technologies improve recovery rates and reduce waste, supporting consistent output. Economically, this phase has a significant impact. High-grade floral absolutes are among the most expensive ingredients in perfumery, with prices influenced by climate, labor, and regional agriculture. Chanel's long-term partnerships in Grasse help stabilize supply and reduce price volatility. Meanwhile, synthetic aldehydes benefit from industrial-scale production, offering predictable costs and strong margins. With global demand for premium fragrances rising, efficient sourcing and preparation allow brands like Chanel to sustain high retail margins and reinforce their position within a multi-billion-dollar luxury fragrance market. The primary transformation stage converts raw materials into high-value fragrance components that shape cost, scalability, and profit. Natural absolutes like jasmine and rose are among the most expensive ingredients in perfumery, so efficient extraction and purification directly reduce production costs. Aldehydes, produced at an industrial scale, offer predictable pricing and strong economic advantages. This blend of premium naturals and stable synthetics creates a cost structure that supports Chanel's high margins and consistency. In a luxury market where top-tier perfumes earn some of the highest returns, this stage is critical for maintaining Chanel No. 5 Perfume's profitability and global positioning. Reliable transformation processes ensure every batch meets luxury standards, reinforcing consumer trust across major markets. By stabilizing key compounds and aligning each batch with the original 1921 formula, Chanel secures long-term revenue growth and protects its competitive market share. The refinement stage involves precise compounding of natural absolutes, aldehydes, and supporting aroma molecules according to the master formula. These materials are blended under controlled temperature and agitation to achieve a uniform fragrance concentrate. The mixture then undergoes filtration to remove impurities, followed by dilution with high-grade ethanol to reach the required perfume strength. A cold filtration step ensures clarity and stability, and the refined fragrance is rested to allow the scent profile to fully mature. This controlled sequence of compounding, dilution, and filtration ensures consistent quality, supports premium pricing, and reinforces Chanel No. 5 Perfume's position within the high-end luxury fragrance market. After it is fully refined, the fragrance concentrate enters a controlled maturation period. During this stage, the mixture rests in sealed stainless steel tanks, allowing molecular interactions to stabilize and the aromatic profile to fully develop. This controlled aging ensures the aldehydes settle into balance with the floral and woody notes, creating the recognizable structure that defines Chanel No. 5 Perfume. Maturation is not a decorative step. It is a critical quality function that protects the consistency, longevity, and performance of the final scent. Each batch undergoes a series of analytical and sensory tests before bottling. Gas chromatography confirms the chemical composition, verifying alignment with the master reference. Stability assessments evaluate color, clarity, and resistance to temperature fluctuations. Trained evaluators perform organoleptic or smell-based assessments to ensure the scent matches historical benchmarks. These combined checks guarantee that every unit maintains the same character that has defined the fragrance for generations. Once validated, the fully matured fragrance moves into precision-controlled bottling lines, engineered for flawless execution. Each glass bottle is pre-rinsed, sterilized, and meticulously inspected to ensure perfect clarity. Advanced filling systems dispense exact volumes with zero tolerance for variation, while atomizers, caps, and exterior components are assembled under strict conditions to preserve product integrity. Final packaging, labels, boxes, and protective elements is aligned with equal precision, reinforcing the premium standard and craftsmanship associated with the Chanel name. After it is assembled, Chanel No. 5 Perfume enters a tightly controlled global distribution network, reaching authorized boutiques, luxury retailers, and select online platforms. Advanced inventory systems track demand across major regions to ensure consistent availability. This controlled flow protects its premium pricing and strengthens its position in the global fragrance market. Every bottle reflects a fully managed production ecosystem built to maintain the standards of a century-old icon. Through precise testing, assembly, and distribution, Chanel No. 5 Perfume continues to deliver a reliable, enduring expression of luxury that holds cultural and economic value across generations. From the sourcing of rare ingredients to the precision of compounding, refinement, and global distribution, Chanel No. 5 moves through a process defined by control, expertise, and intention. Every stage reflects a balance between science and artistry, tradition and innovation, market demand and timeless identity. The fragrance is more than a blend of materials. It is proof that discipline, consistency, and thoughtful design can create enduring value in a fast-changing world. Its longevity is no accident. It stems from unwavering quality standards, strategic economics, and a commitment to preserving the character of an icon. In every bottle, the past and present converge, reminding us that refinement, whether in craft, business, or personal expression, is an ongoing pursuit. Across the 2000s and 2010s, Chanel strengthened its presence through premium retailers, duty-free channels, digital platforms, and high-impact campaigns. Today, Chanel No. 5 remains both culturally influential and commercially strong in the U.S. market, sustaining high margins through controlled pricing and consistent brand positioning. As we look at the full journey from start to finish, one message stands out. What endures is what we choose to shape with purpose. If this is how a single fragrance can evolve across generations, imagine what your next idea could become when built with the same level of precision, clarity, and intention. And here's how the timeless magic of Chanel No. 5 perfume comes to life, continuously enchanting the world with its fragrance and shaping the world of luxury from start to finish.